Children can experience many forms of abuse while at daycare. Today, we're discussing the 4 most common types of daycare abuse and how they may affect your child. It's essential for parents and caregivers to be aware of the different types of abuse that children may experience in daycare settings. Let's get into it. The first type is physical abuse. Physical abuse at daycare involves any adult causing serious injury to a child. Common signs of physical abuse include unexplained bruises, cuts, burns, or fractures. Physical abuse can have both immediate and long-term effects on the child. This may include physical pain, emotional trauma, and lasting injuries that may impact their health and development. The second type is psychological abuse. Psychological abuse involves the infliction of emotional or mental harm on a child through verbal or nonverbal actions. Signs of psychological abuse may include anxiety, depression, withdrawal, or low self-esteem. Continued psychological abuse can undermine a child's sense of safety, leading to long-lasting emotional scars and behavioral issues. The third type is emotional abuse. Emotional abuse occurs when a child's emotional needs are consistently ignored, belittled, or invalidated. Signs of emotional abuse may include excessive fear, clinging behavior, or emotional withdrawal. Emotional abuse can impair a child's ability to regulate emotions and develop a positive self-image. The fourth and one of the most devastating types is sexual abuse. Sexual abuse involves any form of sexual activity or behavior inflicted on a child. Signs of sexual abuse may include unexplained genital injuries, behavioral changes, or nightmares. Sexual abuse can have profound and lifelong consequences for the child, including trauma, shame, and difficulty forming healthy relationships. If you suspect that your child has experienced any form of abuse in daycare, you don't have to go through it alone. At the Button Law Firm, we're dedicated to advocating for victims of daycare abuse and ensuring that negligent daycares are held accountable. If you have more questions about daycare abuse but aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.